Alright, what's good, y'all? Today is fucking Tuesday, April 19th. We're headed to the paint shop. We're headed to the paint shop right now because it's finally time this shit gets done. I don't know if I updated you guys with the lip or not. Oh, fuck. I don't know if I updated you guys with the lip. Should I go this way? Alright, so I muted this part because you could barely hear me. There's a lot of noise in there. We also did a walk around about how I want the bumper painted, and then also about that damage that we were aware of. It's just going to cost a little bit more money. That's fine. They took care of it. I was told about 2 weeks or so. It's been way more than 2 weeks as of right now. But yeah, that was about it. Say goodbye. Okay, it's the next day. Yesterday was kind of not hectic, but I don't know. My head was everywhere, and it still is. It's like a lot of things are happening always, right? So basically yesterday we were at the shop. We dropped the car off. It's gonna get painted, the bumper. You guys probably noticed I'm in another fucking car. I got all my detail equipment back there. This is what we're working with. Yep, Acura TL 96, I think. Check engine light on. Yesterday it was smoking a whole bunch. It's not smoking anymore. It's good, y'all. It is Friday. It's been what, 4 days since we dropped off the car. No updates yet, but I'm not really tripping off of it. My bad. That one was probably hella loud. It's currently Lao New Year right now, so we might go to the temple. So that's one thing that we may do later on today. Right now, we're just gonna go to the park with some of the family and then just play some sports. Basketball, pickleball. You definitely stop first, dude, come on. Basketball, pickleball. I'm gonna go to the store right now because it's pretty hot. Grab some drinks and whatnot, and then we'll meet up with everybody. All right, we got some Gatorade, some water, some ice. At least this shit has automatic locks and shit. Shit, I'm finna play some pickleball. Y'all don't know what pickleball is? I don't know what it is either. Alright, I got the vlog going on. We got AJ in the house. Got Cam, Ernie. Alright, pickleball. Hey, what's pickleball? Pickleball is like tennis and ping pong right in the middle. So they actually got courts for this, because last time we was at the tennis courts at another park and we had to make it smaller, but this is already small. But yeah, and if that explanation was wrong and you a pro pickleball player, my bad. Obi Sav with the serve. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it was good. Ooh. Oh. Oh. They going crazy. Look at him, make me like Mike.
Damn, I ain't think that was gonna go over.
Oh, good cover. Me. NANI?
I apologize for my absence. I know I left you without a name to drop. I don't know how I expected you to get your clout up and get your money up, but
That's in. That's in.
don't worry.
Oh! You. I ain't worried about nobody. I got real rank. So it's the next day. After the park, played a little bit of basketball. And then we didn't go to the temple because it was too late. They ran out of food anyways. Today I wanted to go to the temple, but I have shit to do. I gotta move. And now that I don't have the type bar in my hands, I gotta move everything in this TL. This is probably only like 1/10 of what I gotta move. Luckily, we'll be able to borrow this van. And yeah. Hold on, bro. This van's pulling up on me. I think they want to run. Oh, they can't even help. Got him now. Got him! Woo! Definitely that B-Tech that kicked in. And they won round 2. We'll see though. Let me downshift for this one. I'm gonna let them call it. Oh, they're just gonna go? Oh, I think she in manual mode. Got her though. All right, tufting frame. I think it's gonna break, but I'll just build another one. It's like 40 bucks. Okay, it's 9 o'clock. We'll probably get to the other house at 10. Pump some gas real quick in this big ass van. Got everything in the back. I know you guys can't see it. I'm driving hella slow, maybe like 25 miles per hour. But man, these lights are killing me. I'm blind as it is, but watch this. It's gonna be a long ride home. Definitely feeling some type of way in life right now, where it's like kind of not going how I want it, you know what I mean? But it's not the first time, not my first battle, but hopefully car content, you know, soon. Hopefully this is enough car kind of content with the races and everything in Mexico. But I think it'll be it for this one.
Yeah, she asked me, really, do you love me? I said